Have here the headliner out of my 97 Dakota. As you can see, it's coming apart and it's filthy. So today I'm going to show you how to replace that. First off, got to get the material off, which is going to peel off, but then we also need to get the foam. Need to get that off too, so I'll show you how to do that. Here I have just a standard wire brush, just like $1. What you'll do is just get all this foam off here so the new headliner material can be glued back on. Well, as you can see, we have to move inside now. Good old afternoon showers in Florida. I have my board cleaned up, got all the foam off of it, and now I'm going to apply some contact cement. I like to use this because I can get a good even coat. A lot of guys use spray glue. You can use that, but I use the contact cement because I know I can get a good smooth coverage over my whole board. Now that I have glue applied to my board, here's my fabric I got from the local upholstery shop, and just start sticking it to it. Have the material pressed down on the board best I could. I got a little wrinkle here. It's been about 6 years since I've done one of these. But now I'm just going to trim it up. Got the holes for all the visors, the lights, and all that stuff I need to cut out. And then it'll be ready to install after let it dry overnight. I let the glue set overnight and I went ahead and installed it. I just want to show you the finished product. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better than the old one. Hope y'all learned something, and see you guys next time.